Hey, Mr. Smully.
Oh, hi man. What's up?
Well, tomorrow's my big day, you know.
What big day?
Well, it's Batman Day, of course. And I was wondering if you could make a nice drawing of me for the occasion.
Well, I'm kinda busy right now, so I don't know.
Oh, come on, man. Please.
Alright, okay, no need to make a big fuss about this. I will draw a nice picture of you, okay?
Thank you.
Well, I guess we know what to do now. Let's get drawing. Okay, the rough sketch of our Batman is done. Now let's tighten things up with pencils and maybe put in some more details. And a nice background would be nice as well, right? Let's go. Okay, these pencils are turning out pretty nice. Now let's get to the last phase of this drawing, inking. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made of Batman. Hey, Bats, any last words?
Thank you.
And if you guys liked it as well, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!